Us as nerds. That's preposterous, he says, hiding his secret stash of Power Ranger collectibles.
At least you're not into the Star Wars holiday special like Kiko.
What?
He bought the Star Wars holiday special.
Why?
God only knows, my friend.
But that's just... my brain.
Your brain.
My brain.
How do you think mine feels? It's been tortured by the thought I will never recover. I can see it now. God, I'm a good actor. Anyway, hi.
Wow. Not vain in the
What?
slightest.
You must admit that sounded good. I could have kept that going. It was purposely overdone, but the point is made.
I know a way to keep it going. You make Christmas Eve Star Wars Holiday Special. You have no say in the matter.
Why?
Because I'm a very, very mean person. You ready to record?
Go right off fucking head.
Good, because I've been recording for the past minute and a half now. Greetings, everyone. Dorgon here with Let's Fiddle.
So the people of VH will hear all of that.
Pretty much, yeah.
Hello? If you'll excuse me, I'm going off to find kitchen knife.
I can cut it out if you. I can cut it out if you want.
No. Where's the comedy in that? I'd much rather kill you on cam.
Wait, this... you don't see our faces. Never mind.
Exactly.
Well,
I am playing Doom. Chainsaw, where are you?
Enjoy. Right. Shut up! I'm trying to do the thing. Right. So, I'm in the... Oh, fun. Today we're going to be working with something that's very entertaining and very fun to use if you're streaming or, you don't have stereo mix. Which, if you don't have stereo mix... I pity you.
Yeah, me.
We're working with virtual audio cable today, so...
Shut up.
Make me your little fur ball. Right, where is it? Ah, virtual audio cable. I have eyes. What you'll want to do, folks, is get the cramp out of your leg to start with, ow, and go down to Control Panel. From here, you'll see, once it opens, you need to set the cables to 2. So you'll have line 1 and line 2. And this way you can stream, it'll work properly. You can fiddle with these too if you want, but I rarely ever summon. Upon doing so, you can then go down to the thing, if I can find it, thing, and turn on your audio repeater. But I have mine right here, so I'm just going to do this. And you'll want to open 3 of them, if they will open sometime today. One there, and one more.
Plasma rifle! I mean, hi.
Thank you, Gavarok. And one more right there.
Ignore me, ladies and gentlemen, I am killing things.
I got him introduced to Doom 2 for the PC. He hasn't put it down much. Have you come off God mode yet?
No.
Pussy.
What do you think I want a challenge? What did you just call me?
I just called you a pussy.
Lovely.
Indeed. Right, so, thing set. What you'll want to do is, wave in will be your audio either from your speakers or your microphones. So this one will be the microphone, whatever you will. This one will be our stereo mix, or our Microsoft Sound Mapper, whichever you have, whatever you wish to fiddle with. And we'll want to put both of these to line 1. Boom, boom. And we want to do this and put line 1 to line 2. Now we can start them all up. Blah. Start them up, and they start doing things and shinies. Speak for me, Gav.
Words! I am shooting things in the brain.
Huzzah! You have a tiny bit of lag, but it's not really that much to worry about, so let's stop these real quick. So, stop freaking things out of my computer. Once you have this going, you can stream audio directly from from line 2, and you will have both game audio and your vocals at the same time, perfect for streaming and the like.
Is it sad that I'm a prominent and practiced Let's Player and I have never heard of this thing you are currently mentioning, and I'm still, even though I've never heard of it before, not listening to you?
2,000 subscribers for him, 1,000 for me. And I'm the one who studies the shit.
I love fairness. Yeah, but I'm the one who's funny. I'm joking, don't hurt me, don't hurt me.
You're the one who found my Let's Play of Super Mario 63. I mentioned a Goomba thing, and we became fast friends after that.
Yes, because I thought you were slightly less amusing than me.
Wow. So
you
how is it
idolized me. You idolized me. You fanboyed over me. For several months. Do not deny it.
Shut up. Shut up. No, I didn't. Shut up.
Oh, yes, you did.
They don't need to know that.
No, they don't, but I want them to.
I hate you.
No, you don't.
Yes, for a while I was really, really addicted to his LPs, almost to the point where him and Kikowski are the real reason why I started LPing to begin with. Mainly him, but me. Kept thinking to myself, wow, if someone that retarded can start LPing, anyone can. I'm joking, don't kill me, I love you. We're nice to each other, really. You gonna kill me for that?
Oh, you will bleed.
I could make a joke, but I'll be good.
Go ahead.
No.
Okay.
I'll say it after the recording's done. Pretty much that's all you have to do pretty much that's all you have to do with that program. You don't have to have it to LP, but it's a nice little addition if you stream or do anything at all like that. And though Gavarok is not listening at all,
hello.
I'll happily inform him later on about this, so maybe his streams will be a little less shitful.
Thanks. Is it bad that I literally had to have my headset on my laptop keyboard, sitting there, volume 100, so that the audio would be picked up by the mic, just so that you guys could hear it?
And that's why you use this program instead of doing that.
Yeah, but I feel like I should be uploading that shit to thereifixedit.com or something.
You should.
I will smack you. I make my own self-degradation jokes, thank you very much.
Oh my god, you totally should.
Breathe.
I'm trying to shut up. Right. This is a totally professional instructional video.
I'll beat the shit out of Dylan. Oh!
Oh! Duh.
And there goes your endorsement.
Exactly. Thanks. You just killed Game Anyone. What do you have to say for yourself?
Game no one. Subscribe to me. Other than that, you have no chance of ever becoming a Let's Player.
He lies, but yeah, go sub to him anyway. For he is awesome and full of the wind sauce. Wind sauce?
Wincest?
It's best.
Yeehaw.
Random chicken. Right. We're acting like retards now. We have
incest.
in an instructional video.
For a forum that we wish to remain members of. I'm scared.
I'm scared too.
Hold me.
People happily. And he's creeped out. Yay, I've done my job. So that's all the time we have for this episode, folks. I am Duragon.
I am dead.
That silent bitch in the other end is Gavaroth. And this has been Let's Fiddle with virtual audio cable. Next time we'll be working with the last little bit of thing you need to worry about, and that is Team Viewer, which is fun.
Oh dear,
Until
that is
then,
fun.
it is very fun. So until then, folks, I will see you then. Bye! Peace out. Stop.